Let me show you something interesting. Have you ever had sales data in Excel, but struggled to quickly see who is performing better each month? You scroll, you check numbers, you compare manually, and honestly, it takes time. But what if Excel could show you the answer instantly, visually, and beautifully? Let's do that step by step. Here we have monthly sales data of 5 sales agents. Our goal is simple. We want to visualize sales by month and by person. So instead of manually filtering data again and again, we will use a smart formula. First, I will extract the data using Vlookup for multiple columns. Click on cell C4. This is where I will apply our formula. Now start with an equal sign and type Vlookup. In simple words, Vlookup means find a value in a table and return related data from other columns. Now select cell B4. This is our lookup value, which represents the selected month. Next, select the entire data range from B17 to G29. Now comes the powerful part. Instead of selecting one column, I will extract multiple columns at once. So inside curly brackets, type 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This tells Excel, bring data from column 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then type 0 for exact match and close the formula. Press enter. Boom. Just like that, all sales data for that month appears instantly. Nice. Now let's turn this into a visual chart. Select the extracted data, go to Insert, and choose a pie chart. And there it is. But let's make it look professional. Go to Chart Styles, and select Style 11. Yes, this one looks clean and modern. Now go to this plus sign, and delete the chart title and legend to remove clutter. Next, right-click on the chart, go to Format Data Series, and slightly explode the slices to 5%. Wow, now each segment stands out clearly. Now let's improve the labels. Click on Data Labels. Go to Label Options. Check Category Name, so each slice shows the agent name. Now change the separator to New Line. Perfect. Now it looks clean and easy to read. Next, reposition the chart and resize it properly so it fits nicely on your sheet. Finally, insert a circle shape in Chart Center. For this, go to Shapes and select Circle Shape. Insert it here. Then link the shape with month name. Type is equal to in formula bar and select month name. Hit Enter and it linked. Lastly, format the shape. Center align it. Make it bold and resize as per requirement. And here comes the magic part. Just change the month in cell B4. And instantly, the entire chart updates automatically. No manual work. No repeated effort. Just smart Excel. This is how professionals create dynamic dashboards, sales reports, and visual insights in Excel. Simple formulas, powerful results. So next time you're working with sales data, remember, don't just look at numbers. Visualize them smartly. Follow for more Excel tips, data visualization tricks, and smart business reporting techniques.